Hello YouTube!
Today, I'm going to loosen sawdust spawn. It's in the bottle. This is a F206 from Fuji Spawn. I'm going to use this. This machine has already been sanitized. This shaft rotates and takes the spawn out of the bottle. The spawn will be fluffy by stroking on this sleeve. It makes inoculation easier. I'll make a video of this process.
動画にします。はい。よいしょ。
Spawn like this is hard to use for inoculation, so I'll take them out. I keep them just in case, may be used in different ways. Now good sawdust spawn is ready. And then I'm going to inoculate the fluffy spawn with our tools. This hard skin is what spawn try to become mushrooms. Everyone cuts and takes the spawn out, then stroke on the sleeve or crush with the machine. I reuse these empty bottles for something like selling beetles. That's why we do this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.